Well, it was so sudden, it was incredible. Personally, I'm a very fit person. I live on my own. But all of a sudden, a strange thing, I didn't have a headache or anything like that. I wasn't in pain. The most terrible feeling came over me of illness. And I'm never ill, so I couldn't really explain it. It was from my neck to the top of my knee. I felt really ill. Well, I managed to creep up the stairs as I've got a cottage and a couple of steps in it to get to the phone for my daughter. And when she heard the way I slurred in it, I was laying on the bed then, and she said, get the ambulance straight away. From there, I don't remember anything, so I woke up in bed, ready to jump out, wanted to go to the loo at 7 o'clock in the night, couldn't get out. But after that, everything was in perfectly working order, still is.
Well, carrying on from Jean, me and Lynn met her in the A and E resus when she was brought in via the ambulance as an emergency as a suspected stroke. In these cases, you have to act very urgently because time is money here, and if you lose minutes, you might be losing your brain in those minutes. So we are fortunate enough to be in a setup where we are trained to treat strokes in a very acute manner. So we saw her very quickly, got a brain scan on her, and she was very lucky to have a type of stroke which could benefit from a new treatment called thrombolysis, or the clot busting drug. In all fairness to Jean, when she came in, she had a lot of weakness on the left side. She couldn't feel anything on the left side, and her speech was quite impaired. We spoke to her about our experience with thrombolysis, and she agreed to it. She was thrombolized. Both me and Lynn went through that with her, and she has made a fantastic recovery. She's back on her feet, she's gone home, she's independent again. And I think Lynn might have a few words to say at this point in time as well.
This procedure is available for people that have suffered a stroke. And what the message we need to get across is that we need people to get here quickly. The sooner people get here, the sooner we can assess them and see if they're appropriate for this treatment. We have a 3-hour window at present to get patients from the onset of their symptoms to having the medication, that's the clot busting medication, that relieves the weakness that the patients experience when they have stroke. So we need people, public,